May 1st. As pitch to Chang is a sinker high for a ball. First Double-A win. 1-0 is a sinker outside, 2 and a splitter. 2-0. Chang pops it up behind third base. Third baseman Higgins. Left fielder Rhodes leaps, and it lands foul on the berm just in front of the Altoona bullpen. Colin Burns at second, T.T. Bowens at first. 2-1 pitch is a bunt in front of the plate, picked up by Basayo on a bare hand, and he tags out Chang in the batter's box.
A left-handed batter against right-handed starter Cam Weston. First pitch is speared back foul off the overside. Starter Cam Weston struck out 4, allowed just 1 walk. His next pitch spins low and outside. Down a bunt. It was nabbed in fair territory out in front of home by Basayo, and then he just simply applied the tag to Chang, who was still standing befuddled in the left-handed batter's box. We're in Altoona. Next pitch is a 1-2 just outside. Curve now doing action in the final series of the first half here in 2024. It's his second 3-ball count. Here's a 3-2, and it's a swing and a miss for strike 3. Baseball. Hulking left-handed hitter waits the first pitch and grounds it back up the middle. Speared by the shortstop Chang. His only play is to first behind the second base bag. He lost his footing, and he was able to regain it and throw out Basayo. The first pitch. And Chang takes off speed upstairs. It's 1 ball and no. These runs really falling much to the fault of that pitching staff, but looking to limit it. That's 2 here. The 1-0 is inside. 2 balls and no strikes. Games out of first in the Southwest. The 2-0 is tight again. 3 balls and no strikes to Chang. The 3-0 to Chang is in there for a called strike. 3-1 pitch. And Chang lifts it in the air, shallow right. Dead sprint in for Etzel. He makes the call, pauses, and makes the catch with his legs underneath him. 2 for 3 day. The lefty hits a ground ball weakly out to second. Vacuumed in by Bachardo. He goes the short way to second where Chang is covering. 4-6 to erase Ben Coachman.
And the first pitch is a fastball high, ball 1. Left-handed batter takes a strike. That one a generous call. 1-1. Swing and a miss. Another fastball on the outside corner. It's 1-2. Every game this week to stay alive in it. 1-2 pitch. Fastball up and away. It's 2-2. Is a little bit low and away. Lifts a leg and fires. And a swing and a miss. Strike 3. Dylan Hyde just challenged Chang with a fastball.